Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Pynkynriah University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Kesorkar Zilla kan Pynkynriah no yaki Nongdie Madan nagatan Laitumkhrah Shwa kakat Tarik Nailar lapintip usimbut Menteri Rangba ubakmi yakatanat Pynkynriah uba sniaw balang thar haka Tarik Nailar arajar arfanrio bad yathuru bala depha yaki notice bad ka kam menta ka dangya chakmat da ka bapintri kam yaka hukum jong ka yeng bishar Haka jingekren bat kilat pathai kubor ubat dhar ulaong baka sarkar shen kan shong perkhat na ka benta ban Pynkynriah saya ki Nongdie Madan haka than mat pran bat hashilenter ka surok GS road.
It will be very soon and we have certain notice. They should be shifted by 17th of this month in the court order also. So my officer is on the job with them. We are discussing with them nicely, having negotiating dialogue with them, and I think everything should be okay. It seems all the things is moving in the right direction. For our cars, we have identified two places. One is Dangati parkings, and another one is private bungalow places. And actually, it's a good place for them. And yes, if there is any lapses here and there, not up to the mark as they expected, we are trying to work nicely to make them happy.
But what about Madan and GS?
Same thing. Now, when Jail Road, we have done it. We have placed them in the portal and in front of SBI. And next, we will discuss the GSO and Madan issues. We'll do it in the phase-wise manner. And even for the GSO, Madan, we have identified in somehow in the near Yaldo parking lots. Yeah, some of them they raise this point, don't worry. For those areas which is not proper, we will correct it. We will improve it properly from the government side.
Hey, up, Ruko. Shwa ba fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up Shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat ka mariang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka Ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban Pynkynriah ya ka ne ka umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka Ruko ka kot ka kya pat ka mariang ru kan ktasyo.
Kanong ba bernihan ka don ha upod usam ha pedeng ka asam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka asam don kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang Pynkynriah banthaw ya ka joint action plan